Good morning, children. So, in our today's class, we will go through the topic mail merge. That is how we can create this mail merge. So, for this, here our class begin. So, children, first we discuss the syllabus of this online exam. Here, part A, employability skills. In this unit number 3 is basic ICT skills. Updation is there. You all are having notes, you all are having these videos link, so you will read it from there. Okay, next is entrepreneur and entrepreneurship, unit number 4. No updation is there. If you are having book, read it from there. Otherwise, these notes and videos are sufficient. Unit number 5, green skills. No updation is there. Up to you from book or from these videos and notes. Next is part B, subject specific skills. Unit number 1, digital documentation. Digital documentation means where we are creating these documents in MS Word, in Open Office. So MS Word means digital documentation. So don't get confused in this. Okay. Session number 1, style and style set. Session number 2, inserting and using images in the document. Session number 3, create and use template. All three are there in your book. This session number 1 is there in session number of if your book, session number 4, and this create and use template, session number 5 of your book. Session number 8, insert and use images in the document. Okay, little bit updation is there in this session 1. Style set, now they added, so notes are there. What is the difference between a style and a style set? Style, if we want to change the font size, color, its type, so we can use style. Means by clicking on single button, we can do either in paragraph, either in heading, either in title. Okay. Style set, if we want to do this updation in all three, so style set ho jata hai. Next is insert and use images in the document. Everything is there in notes also, in your book also. Next is create and use template. Everything is there in your book also, in notes also. So it's up to you. Either read it from your book or from these notes. So children, don't worry about it. Okay. And all the PDF that I am sending you from all the 5 units of part A and this unit, subject specific skills, please save it somewhere, either on your email ID or in any specific folder of your mobile phone, or if printer is available at your home, take print out of these one. They help you out in your board exams. Whatever notes I am providing you, I am taking each and every topic according to the updated syllabus. Okay, so I don't think so now you are having any confusion. Okay children, so now we will continue with our today's topic. Topic is mail merge. So children, this one is your mail merge. Now in this mail merge internal, so many topics are there. I'll divide your complete this mail merge in 2 parts. In today's class, we will continue with these topics. Okay, creating main document, creating data source, entering data in the fields, merging them and editing them means mail merge. And in our next class, we will go on this topic, printing a letter and its address label. Okay. Now, first topic is what is mail merge. So, mail merge, it is the facility which allows us to create letters, mailing labels, envelopes. Okay. When the same letter has to send to multiple recipients, the matter is same, only we are changing the address and greeting lines. Okay. So, for this, we are using this mail merge facility. In our previous class, I told you that 2 things we require. One is the main document. Main document means that your invitation letter, any application, if you are sending it to at so many places, so for this one is the main document. One example, last year we have taken that this birthday party invitation, so this one is your main document. and list of all the students, of all the candidate. That one is the data source to whom we want to send the this main document. And then enter data in the fields. उसके बाद merge करना है and then send them. So first step is creating main data so document. For this, what we have to do? First, we are open one new document with the shortcut key Control plus N. Control plus N is for creating new document, MS Word document. First, open any Word document. Control plus N is for creating new document. Done. Now for mail merge, one tab is there and the name of the tab is mailing tab. Okay. So children, before starting with this, one more thing, one more important announcement, that still few students, they are not submitting me their homework. If you are not taking it seriously, then it will definitely give you certain problems. In your first class, when we start with subject specific skills, there I am telling you the syllabus, and that in that syllabus I am telling you that 10 marks is there for this practical file plus your this register. So it complete 10 marks is in your hand. So take this homework submission seriously. Okay. Now mail merge. So in mail merge, one tab is there. Tab name is mailing tab. So where is mailing tab? Here is mailing tab. It is visible to you. Now click on this mailing tab. Mailing tab is responsible for mail merge. When you are clicking on this, here is the group Start Mail Merge. When you are clicking on this option Start Mail Merge, so which tab? Mailing tab. Which group? Start Mail Merge. Children, remember, for your board exams, these tabs, these groups are very important. Direct in exam, direct question is there. Dash tab we are using for creating mail merge. So for this, which tab? Mailing tab. In mailing tab, dash group we are using for creating mail merge. Which group? Start Mail Merge. Okay. Now click on this one, Start Mail Merge option. Click on this one. Here are what are the things we can create with the mail merge. Letter आप send कर सकते हो, email message, envelope, label, directory. Okay. We are clicking on this letter option. Done. Now we are typing the letter. Last time also we are typed. So first we will type one letter. I am typing here. Dear birthday is there. So birthday party. You must come and join us. Thank you. Your name. Done. So this typing part done. Now I want to send the copy of this letter to all the students. Okay, so this one is the main document. From my side, this main document creation done. Now second part is creating data source, means making the list of all the friends to whom I want to send this letter. So for creating data source, again click on this mailing tab, and in mailing tab, here is Start Mail Merge. Here is Select Recipients. When you are clicking on this, here three options are there. First is Type New List. Second is Use Existing List. Third is From Outlook Context. Outlook is the mailing facility, means by this we can send mail. Okay? And this is the product of Microsoft company. And today we are using Gmail. Gmail is the product of Google company, and this Outlook is the product of Microsoft company. Okay. So here is, today we are creating new list. Otherwise, click on Use Existing List. If you have already created, you will use any one and then open. Okay. Now today we are creating new source. So select recipient, click. Here is Type New List, click. Now this window will appear. Here few terms are there: title, first name, last name, company, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip code. So many things are there. Okay. I don't want to fill all these fields I want to create my own table. ठीक है, for this what you have to do, click on this custom column option. When you are clicking on this custom column, here all the fields names are there जो वहाँ पे list में है. They are giving you these fields name generally people are using. If you want to add or delete any field from here, the title is I don't want title, so delete this field. Yes, first name we required, last name we required, company name I don't require, so delete this one. We are making this for birthday invitation, so company name we don't require. Address we required, one line is sufficient, delete second one. Okay, yes, city we से चलो city रख लेते हैं. State we remove this one, delete. Yes, zip code, country, region, we are deleting this one also. So this one is this option is available in custom fields. From here you can add and delete or rename any field. Okay, phone number. So for this I am changing or renaming it to mobile number. I am changing it to chalo a mobile number, MOBILE, mobile number. Done. Now I am clicking OK, and now you will check here mobile number. Okay, work phone, delete this column. Email address, this one also I am deleting. Yes, and then click OK. It means now our table is according to our need. Now you start filling entries. First name, done. Last name, done. Address, filling done. City, any city you will write. Next one is your mobile number. Mobile number you will type. Done. I want to add one more field. For this click on new entry and now start typing. Done. You will make the database of your friends like this. चलो ठीक है, one more entry I will take, new entry, and delete entry option is to delete any entry. If you find any specific record in this complete database, click on find. Custom column, customize columns होता है this one, that if you want to change the field name, if you want to add, delete or rename any field name, with this customize column you can do. Now I want to insert one new entry, so I am clicking here, I am placing here. Filling done. Mobile number. One more entry I will take. For this click on new entry first and then start typing. In this manner we are creating what? We are creating our data source. Okay, so main document we have created. By this we are creating the data source also. चलो entry बहुत हो गई. And now click on OK. When you are clicking OK, one window will appear. Here is name and here is file name. You will mention file name here. I am placing BBBBB. And suppose if this Microsoft Office address list is not there, then select here. You will select Microsoft Office address list and then click on save. Saving part done. Now open your document. This one is my document. यही लिखा था मैंने अभी, ठीक है. Now start mail merging. मैंने main document create किया. I have created recipient list also. Now next option is here, click. Here is start mail merge. Letter done. Now select recipient. Use existing list. And here is, where is the option BBB? Here it is. Click on open. When you are clicking open, you will check these three, one will be activated. Now click on this insert merge field where you want place first name. Here with dear. With dear I want to place this first name. So I am removing this from here. My cursor is here. I am giving space. Now click on this mailing tab. Click on write and insert fields. Click on this insert merge field. When you are clicking on this one, click first name. Done. if you want to place anyone और last name भी यहीं चाहिए. Done. Now place enter from the keyboard. और हमें कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ place करनी है? I want to place this address here after this name and city after this address. Click on insert merge field. Here is the option city. Select. Done. I want to place mobile number also here. Insert merge field. Click mobile number. Done. And this one is my letter. Now if you want to, in this complete letter, if you want to highlight that which are fields you are added here. Okay, first name, last name. So click on this group, write and insert fields. Here is highlight merge field. Click on this one. It will show that these fields we are merging, we are taking from data source. Okay. Now next is from my side data source created. From my side this main document is created. Now next topic is merging them. So for this click on mailing tab. Group is finish group. Here is finish and merge. Click on this one. Here three options are there. First is edit individual document. In your syllabus it is there, edit individual document. Click on this one. When you are clicking on edit individual document, what it means? It meaning is that now whatever letter is created you can add it individually. ठीक है, कुछ भी आप अपडेशन करना है individually you are able to do. Now click on all letter we want. Click OK. When we are clicking on this one, see this one is the first name that I entered in the data source. Now second letter. This one is my second name that I entered there. Look, मैंने ऐसे दिया था ना, name, last, first name, last name. This one is the third one. Here I am giving mobile number. So in this manner. Next one, fourth letter. So this one is my fourth letter. Okay children. So how we can do this mail merge? Again I am telling you. We are closing this one. We will take any already created document. There we will do. This one right now we have done. I am doing save changes. No. Suppose this one is my letter. Okay. This one is my content. Last time we are taking this one. I am deleting this one. Okay. Now this one is my main document. How we can create main document? Click on mailing tab. Click on here is start mail merge and here letter, email, message, whatever you want. Letter we are creating. So we are using this one. Next is creating data source. For creating data source, group is start mail merge. Here is select recipients. Click on this one. Use existing list. This time we are using already created list. Okay. Otherwise if we want to create, so for this click on this select recipient and here is the option type new list. When you are clicking on this one, this window will appear. These are the custom fields that almost everyone is using. If you want to do the editing in this one, click on this customize column. From here you can add, delete and rename any column. Done. After doing this, fill entry. After placing first entry, if you want to add new entry, click on new entry. By mistake I have done any wrong entry, then click on delete entry. Customize column for changing this field name. And find if you want to find any specific name from this list. Now click on OK. Okay. Now this time I am using already created list. So for this click on select recipients. Done. Use an existing list. Click any list you can select. Last time I am creating this RRTT. So I am using this one and then click open. When we are clicking open, you will check that these three fields are enabled now. So in mailing tab, which group, write and insert field, click on this insert merge field. From here you can select field name with first name space I am giving. With this I want last name also. Done. Enter or what I want here. Address after this in my letter and after this address I want city. Click here city. After city I want state. Click here, select state and after state I want phone number. Click here, select phone number. Done. If you want to highlight key in this content, now it is not possible for us to understand that which one we are created this time. So for this click on this option highlight merge field. So it represents that these highlighted fields we are using from data source. Now click on this option, finish group, finish and merge option. Edit individual documents, click and then click OK. From here also you can select which one you want. Current record print karna hai. From means range you can give. All means all record. I am clicking all. Okay. You will check that first name, first letter, second one, second letter, third one, this third letter, and whatever entries I am doing there in the data source, it will take all these entries from that data source and merge it with this document. Okay, so in this manner you can create your own. Now what have the option I have selected, that edit individual. I want to edit this one, so I'll write here dear class 10th. So this is the benefit of editing individual one. Okay, everything is there. What I have written, only one single thing I have written, and in this manner I am editing the entire document. Okay, so with this our mail merge first session of this unit is completed. Here is our PDF. So in this session number 1, creating main document done, creating data source done, entering data in the field done, merge with the data source with main document done, and editing individual document done. Now last topic remain, printing a letter and its address. In our next class we will do. So first we will take quick look on this. First is mail merge. What is mail merge? By this we can create same letter, we can send to different one. Next is performing mail merge. How we can perform? Here is the steps of mail merge: mailing tab, mail merge group, mail merge option, choose letter, or anything you can select. Start typing your letter. This one is your main document. Next one is creating data source. Here is typing the letter. Select recipient. After this, creating data source. Here is typing letter. Choose the list and fill various fields with the appropriate option and click OK button. Okay. Next is inserting merge field. How we can insert these merge field? Click highlight merge fields. Okay. Next is proper all the steps I have written here. Whatever I am telling you right now, all the steps are written here. Children, look in exam. If you know the process, then you can write it in your own language also. But the most important thing is tab selection must be appropriate and your group is appropriate. And in exam, please write the steps in proper manner. In board exam also, and in if any school exam, written exam also, there also write the steps in proper manner. Click finish and merge from finish group. Okay, so in this manner you will write down all the steps in proper manner. So from my side, this mail merge first topic is completed. Second topic we will discuss in our next class, and we will take this revision tour of all this mailing also. Okay, so do revision, and in our next class we will go through that creating labels. Okay class, thank you so much. Thank you for listening me, and at last, after completion of this topic, I will provide you the notes of this topic also. Okay children, thank you.